What if I told you there is a faceless YouTube channel making $8 million per month? Yes, $8 million per month, and nobody knows who runs it. No face, no voice, no crazy editing skills. So I copied their exact strategy using Videoinu, and what happened next honestly surprised me. I have been doing this business for over 6 years, and I have over 5 faceless YouTube channels that are making me thousands of dollars per month, and this is one of my faceless YouTube channel. And in the last 28 days, this channel made me $24,308.81, and this channel is making good money, guys. Some days over $1,000, okay, and some days $600, some days $300, and so on. Okay, this is not screenshots, guys. Okay, I will re-upload the page so you guys can make sure, and as you can see, of course, the numbers will be the same numbers. Okay, anyway, the faceless YouTube channel that I copied, so you guys also can start with this niche. It's a profitable niche. You don't have to show your face, and you don't have to use your voice. Okay, you can use Videoinu. Okay, so the faceless YouTube channel that I copied, it's this channel, guys. Okay, Coco Melon. Okay, this channel, guys, is making so much money per month. Okay, and it's really a profitable niche, and you don't have to show your face, you don't need to use your voice. You guys can see that estimated monthly earning, it's between $3 million and up to $8 million. Okay, and those videos, guys, are super easy to make using AI. Okay, you guys can see that those videos are getting a million of views. So to make like those videos, guys, it's super easy. Okay, you guys now have access to a lot of AI tools, and the best one you can use to make like those videos is Videoinu. Okay, so the link of Videoinu will be in my video description, so you guys can go and check it out. Once you click on the link, it's gonna take you to this page, and it's super easy to use, and it's gonna help you guys create an amazing cartoon faceless videos and start a faceless YouTube channel that you can run just by using Videoinu. Okay, so what we will do next, this will be your homepage. It's super easy to use. Once you are here, just go to animation video. Okay, click on animation video like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. What story do you want to create today? Okay, it's super easy. Okay, you can write something here to make your story. Put your story, create a story, preview. Okay, so for me, guys, I will click here on try simple idea, so they will give me an example of story. Okay, you guys can see, and here you go. So what you will do next, you have here those characters, guys. Okay, so what you will do, you can click here if you want to edit any character. Okay, so just click on the character that you want to edit. It's gonna take you to this page, as you can see, and choose which character you want to use. So for example, let me pick one. We have a lot. Okay, you have a lot, so you can create different videos, high quality videos. So just choose a good characters. I'm gonna choose this one. I think this one is a good one. So just choose the character that you want to use, and here give it a name. Here voice, you can choose here voiceover. Okay, the voiceover from here, super easy. I'm gonna use this one, and here gender, and here, guys, you can choose age. Okay, you can choose audience age that you want to target. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna keep it like this in no one, and I will click once. So if everything is looking good, just click on confirm. Okay, and here you go. Okay, and you will do the same for those characters also, guys. If you want to edit those characters, it's the same. Okay, so once you finish, you can check here, you can check your script. This is your script. You can also delete this script if you want, and you can also add shoot if you want, and check if everything looks good. For me here, it's good. Okay, it's really good. So what I will do next, I will click here on generate video. Okay, just click on generate video like this, and here you go. It started generating full storyboards. Okay, and here you go, guys, your video is done. Okay, you guys can see it's a really amazing and done fast. Okay, let's check the video. So let's check.
It's 12 noon, and I'm here for one thing: the freshest sashimi.
Fox, that's a sample, not your lunch. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub.
Is this some kind of secret code?
It's friendly greeting etiquette. Hey, bub.
Can I try too?
No, absolutely not.
The boss saw we're filming. It's buy one, get one free.
Then I want to film too. I want buy one, get one free.
You guys can see that's a really an amazing video, okay? And you guys can start a faceless YouTube channel, cartoon faceless YouTube channel like this one, okay? And just stay consistent and you can grow it and make good money from YouTube, okay? That's how you can make money from YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice. You can use Videoinu and create cartoon videos, okay? And if you didn't like something in the video, you can also click here, guys, on edit storyboard, okay? Just click on edit storyboard. It's gonna take you to this page here and you can edit anything you want here, okay? You have access to everything, okay? You can also regenerate the scene if you want. You can edit here image prompt. You can edit characters and so on. It's super easy and simple, okay? You guys can see, and that's how you guys can make cartoon videos, faceless cartoon videos using Videoinu. The link of Videoinu will be in my video description. Go guys and check it out and start creating your faceless cartoon videos, and you can start a faceless YouTube channel, okay? So once you finish, you just need to click on next, and here you guys can also add a background music if you want. You have a lot, you see. You can add the background music. Just select the background music that you want to add. You have a lot here and click on generate. And what you will do next, guys, to download this video to your laptop, you can click here on save to download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop, okay? Then you can go start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. They are making cartoon kids videos. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. You guys can see that those videos, they are super easy to make now, right now, using AI tools, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And also, guys, you can join the Videoinu affiliate program, okay? You can click here on affiliate program and it's gonna take you to this page here, and you can click on check the details, and they are paying up to 30% commissions, and you guys can check all the details from here, okay? And see you in the next one.
It's 12 noon, and I'm here for one thing, the freshest sashimi.
Fox, that's a sample, not your lunch.
Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub.
Is this some kind of secret code?
It's friendly greeting etiquette. Hey, bub.
Can I try too?
No, absolutely not.
The boss saw we're filming. It's buy one, get one free.
Then I want to film too. I want buy one, get one free.